Hello everyone, this is Rakhi Chauhan, your maths teacher. Today we will start chapter number 2, whole numbers. Right? You know that 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. We can call these numbers as a counting. राइट क्या कहते हैं हम इसको काउंटिंग ओके बट इफ आई विल राइट हियर 0 ऑल्सो सो 0 इज अ होल नंबर zero 1 2 3 4 so on now these are the whole numbers अब ये याद कैसे रहेगा कि 0 से ही होल नंबर स्टार्ट होता है लुक एट दिस एक्चुअली होल एंड इन 0 आल्सो होल सो होल नंबर्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 देन these are the whole numbers okay and those numbers are starting from 1 2 3 4 and so on these are natural numbers clear whole numbers are starting from 0 and natural numbers are starting from 1 okay now next topic is predecessor and successor what is predecessor and successor we had learned about before number and after number in previous classes right हम पढ़ चुके हैं already before number and after number like what will come after 4 and what will come before 6 यही सेम चीज होती है इसमें प्रेडिसेसर में सक्सेसर में प्रेडिसेसर मीन्स बिफोर नंबर like this okay and successor means after number means this one clear look at this after number means next number क्या होगा इसका next number 4 के बाद next number क्या आएगा so what we will do plus 1 4 plus 1 5 means after 4 5 will come and before number means what we will do -1 इसमें क्या करते हैं हम -1 like 6 minus 1 what will come 5 okay suppose 3 4 2 9 write the predecessor of 3429 what we will do -1 मीन्स हमें इसका बिफोर नंबर बताना है सो क्या करेंगे हम -1 9 minus 1 8 will come then 2 4 3 so what is the answer 3428 3428 for successor suppose we have 3 2 7 7 we want to find the successor of this number 3277 now what we will do plus 1 okay like that. Add this. 7 plus 1, 8, then 7, then 2, then 3. So what will come? It will come 3278. Clear? Now the next topic is number line. Name से ही clear है. Number line means a line of numbers. Look at this. We will make a line. We will write on this line whole numbers. Means we will start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. How can do addition on number line? Look at this. Add. Suppose we want to add on number line 2 plus 4. What will come? Look at this. We will start with 2 and we are doing addition. So we will go right hand side. Okay. We will go 4 numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 2 plus 4 will come 6. Okay. Like that we can do addition on number line. Look at this. Next topic. Again we will write whole numbers on number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Subtraction. If want to do subtract 9 minus 2, how can do? This time we are doing subtraction. Means we will come back left hand side. Okay. Subtraction में left hand side जाना है. We will start with 9 और कितना हमें step चलना है? 2 step because here is 2. 1, 2. So answer will come 7. Clear? Now one more number line for multiply. We start with whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. Multiply. If we want to do 2 multiply 3, how can do this? See this? Means 2 multiply 3. We will start with 0 and we will do 2 step jump. Clear? Means 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे और कितना कितना नंबर जंप करेंगे? 2 नंबर. और कितना जंप करना है? 3 times. Okay? Like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So answer will come 6. Okay? 2 3s are 6. Clear? Like that we can do addition, subtraction, multiply on number line. Okay? Now we will start exercise 2.1 and the question number 1 is write the 3 natural numbers after 10999. Next number, we know that natural numbers are starting from 1, right? After number, how can find after number? Means इसका next number क्या होगा? We will add 1, then again add 1, then again add 1. Look at this. 1 0 9 9 9 plus 1. What will come? 9 plus 1 10. 0 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 0 again 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 0 and again carry. It will come 1 and here 1. So first number is 1 1 0 0 0. Okay. After this, what we will do? We will add 1 again. Look at this. Plus 1. 0 plus 1 1. Then 0 0 1 1. So what is next number? 1 1 0 0 1. Now after this number we will add 1 again plus 1. 1 plus 1 it will come 2. Then 0 0 1 1. So the next number is 1 1 0 0 2. Means 10,999. After this, what will come? 11,000, then 11,001, then 11,002. Clear? Now, question number 2. Look at this. Write the 3 whole numbers occurring just before 10001. Means this time we will tell whole numbers. Before whole numbers means इससे पहले के हमें 3 numbers बताने हैं. Okay? Question is asking before 3 numbers. So this time what we will do? -1 every time. Okay? Look at this. One 0 0 0 1 -1. So what will come? 1 minus 1 it will come 0. Then 0 0 0 1. So first number is 1 0 4 times 0. Then just before this number again we will do -1. Now we cannot do this. Means 0 में से 1. How can possible? So we will take 1 borrow. Look at this. Look at here. 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1. We want one number borrow, but here also 0. Look at this. Here also. So what we will do? We will take 1 borrow from this number, and what is remaining here? 0, and it will be 10. Now we will give 1 to next number. What is remaining here? 9, and here 10. Same as for that number, 9, and here 10. Again 9 is remaining here, and here it will be 10. Now we can do easily -1 from 10. So it will be 9. And what is remaining here? 9, 9, 9 and here 0. Clear? So it will be, next number is 9, 9, 9, 9. It will come 4 times 9. Just before this number, again minus 1. 9 minus 1, it will come 8. Then 9, 9, 9. So the next number is 9, 9, 9, 8. Okay. So just before numbers are 10,000, 9,999, 9,998. Clear? Now the question number 3, which is the smallest whole number? We know that whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All the numbers are whole number. So smallest whole number is 0. So we will write here 0. Clear? Now question number 4. Question is, how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Look at this. 7 and 9. How many numbers will come in between? 1. Only one number, it will come 8. See this? 9 minus 7, it will come 2, and we will do minus 1, then it will come 1. How many numbers in coming between? 1. Okay, like that. Suppose 6, 10. How many numbers are coming in between in these numbers 6 and 10? Look at this. 7, 8, 9. How many? 3 numbers. Okay. So look at this. 10 minus 6. What will come? 4. Okay. And we will do minus 1 also. So what will come? 3. Like that. Now see this. 32 and 53. So we will do minus from 53. What will come? 3 minus 2. It will come 1. And 5 minus 3. 2. Now we will do minus 1 also. Then it will come 20. So how many numbers are coming in between? We will write here 53 minus 32. It will come 20. Then 21. Then minus 1. It will come 20. So 20 numbers will come in between 32 and 53. Now the question number 5 is, write the successor of, and the number is 2, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 1. In successor, what we will do? We will find the next number of this number. Means we will add 1. Okay? So 2, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 1 plus 1. What will come? 1 plus 1? 2. Then 0, 7, 0, 4, 4, 2. So we will write here 2, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 2. Clear? Look at this. Next one also. We will find the successor of this number also. So we will add 1 in this number. 1, 0, 0, 1, 9, 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. Then 0, 0, 1. So what will come here? 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0. Clear? Some more parts are here in book. Try to do yourself. Okay? Now, question number 6. Write the predecessor of. And the number is 94. Predecessor means before number. We will tell before number means we will do -1. So 94 minus 1. 4 minus 1, it will come 3 and here 9. So the predecessor of 94 is 9, 3, 93. Okay. Then next is 10,000. We will do from this also -1. 1, then 4 zeros minus 1. We will take 1 borrow from this one, so it will be 0, and here 10, again 9 is remaining here, then this will be 10, again 9 is remaining here, 10, 9 is remaining here, then it will be 10. Okay, then 10 minus 1, it will come 9. 9 is here, here also 9 and 9, and here is 0. So it will be 9, 9, 9, 9. Some more parts are here. Try to do yourself. Now, question number 7. In each of the following pair of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other on the number line. Means which number left side आएगा. Okay. And also write them with sign greater than and smaller than. And the first pair is 530 and 503. Look at this number line. If we are making one number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Which number is coming left hand side? Smaller number, right? Okay. So from this pair, which number is smaller? 503. So it will appear left hand side of 530. Okay, so write down 503 appears on the left side of 530 on number line. Now greater than and smaller than sign. 530 is greater than 503. Clear? Now some more parts are here. So try to do yourself. Okay? Now the last question of this exercise, question number 8, true or false. Okay? We will find A part, 0 is the smallest natural number. Is it so? No, because natural numbers are starting from 1, so it is false. Okay, next one is 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes? Yes, it is true because whole numbers are starting from 0. So it is true. Next is all natural numbers are whole numbers. Tell me, all natural numbers are whole numbers? Yes, because natural numbers are starting from 1 and whole numbers are starting from 0. Means natural numbers are included in whole numbers. So it is true. Some more are here. You will find yourself true or false. Okay. So exercise over.